Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths for this week, and as you've already watched in the first video, we're going to be looking at capacity and volume this week. Okay, so we're moving on from our work on measures of length and height from last week, and we're going to be working on capacity and volume. Okay, now we've already looked at the PowerPoint on the other video to explain what capacity and volume is and some of the key words that we've got, such as full and nearly full, empty, nearly empty, half full, half empty. So those are the key words that we are going to be using this week when looking at capacity. Now, one of your tasks today says, can you show me what full looks like? Can you show me what half empty looks like? And this video is just going to help you to do that. So, in front of you here, you can see that I've got a jar in my house, okay? And this jar is what we call a container. Can you say that? Good job. Can you think of any other containers in your house that you may have? Pause the video here and see if you can write down a few. Okay everyone, good job. Right, I hope that you've got a list of containers that you could find around your house that can contain and hold water, such as mugs and cups and Tupperware tubs, milk bottles, yogurt pots, lots and lots that are around the house, because you're going to be needing those this week a lot. Okay, so keep them safe. So I'm going to show you now how we measure using water. Okay, now capacity we can measure with sand. It doesn't always have to be water, but we're going to use water because we've all got water at our homes, haven't we? And it's easy to use. So let's start off first of all. Look at our jar. Okay, our container is what? Yeah, you're right. It is empty, look. If I put my hand in there, there's nothing in there at all, no water, it is empty. Can you say empty? Good, well done. Okay, this is an empty container, okay? If I want to say, oh, can we make it nearly empty? What does that mean? Yeah, you're right. It means just put in a little bit of water in there, not a lot, just a little bit, just so we start to see nearly empty. So let's have a look. Nearly empty. Tell me when to stop. Stop, Mr. Gardner. Oh, I heard that. Very good. Okay. As you can see, I've poured some water into that container. There's only a little bit. If I move it around, you can see it moving around a bit. Okay. The water is nearly empty. Can you say that? Good. Well done. So in the container, the amount of water that we've got in there, the capacity of that water is nearly empty. Okay. What about if we want to make it half empty? Okay. What do we need to do then? Yeah, we need to look at our container and think, whereabouts is halfway on this container? Is it up here? Is it down there? Or is it in the middle? If something's half, remember, it's equal either side. So we need to aim for the middle as best we can. So let's fill it up and tell when to stop. Do I stop there? No, because that, again, we would still say that's nearly empty, wouldn't we? But it is filling up. If I stop there, do you think that's nearly half empty? I think we may need a little bit more water. So if I get some more water, and we can add a little bit more to make it half empty. Yeah, we'll stop that there. Okay, right. So I look at my jar, I look at my container. This is about halfway, okay? So we call this side half empty. This space here where my hand is, right, there's no water, no liquid, okay? So this part of the container's capacity is not filled up, is it? Okay, so we call this part the empty part. So this is half empty, and this part here is, yeah, you're right, half full. So we've used three words already. We've had nearly empty, which is about there, right? We've got half full, and we've got half empty, okay? Our next word, nearly full. So we add a bit more, okay, until it gets to about the top, just about there, okay. Let's see if we can spot that. I might need to get some more water again. Okay, if we stop there, we would say the water line, look, is here, so we would say that's nearly full, okay. And if I add a little bit more water, we've got to use the last word, our last capacity word this week, which is, you're right, full, okay. I've got to be careful not to overflow it, okay. So do this very carefully until it gets to the top, okay. So just about there, okay. So now my container is now full, okay. There's no space left in here that is empty, okay. If I put my finger in, it's in the water now, okay. It is full, okay. So the capacity of this container is now full, okay. See what you can do today with your containers. Can you show me what nearly empty looks like? Half empty, half full, nearly full, and full, okay. I look forward to seeing what you can show me with your different containers, and remember, try not to get too wet, okay. See you later, everyone.